So how do we actually connect our GameSir Tarantula Pro here with our 2.4 GHz dongle? Well, it's pretty easy. What we need to do firstly is that we're gonna put the dongle into, for example, our computer here. Make sure to put it into an USB port here. And then once you have done so, what you're going to do after that, there's gonna be a little button on the dongle. Make sure to click on it until it's gonna start to blink really fast like that. Now on your Tarantula here, click on this button together with the home button. So the X button, I guess it's called, or the Y button or whatever. I think this is, I've changed the layout, so yeah. But basically this button here together with the home button, now click on this button right here to be able to put it into pairing mode. And you can see here it's gonna start running around and eventually it's gonna find it here, as you can see. So when it finds it, this light will stay consistent, and I guess this light will not stay consistent, but it should still be connected here, as you can see. So now, I don't know how to even prove it, but I'm just gonna go into settings here just to check. You can see, yeah, you can see it totally works now, the controller here on my PC. So basically that is exactly how to connect your GameSir Tarantula Pro here with the 2.4 GHz dongle.